देखिए, कांग्रेस के वोटर होते तो मैं बताता कि वो कहां जाएंगे। जब वोटर ही नहीं रहे तो मुझे क्या पता कहां जाएंगे।
पूछिए, आप पूछिए पीछे से, ज्ञान के पास से। जस्ट वन। I'm coming.
नहीं, आप क्या चाहती हैं कि मैं अब कांग्रेस के मजबूत होने की कामना करूं?
पूछिए। पूछिए।
निश्चित रूप से नहीं, हम जीतने जा रहे हैं।
लिस्ट।
देखिए, we leave nothing to chance in any campaign. And therefore, whether it was the Lok Sabha election or it was the assembly elections in the other states after the Lok Sabha election, we put our full strength and heart and soul into it.
Please.
कोई संस्था नहीं है, एक व्यक्ति है सिर्फ। कोई देखिए, पहले तो मैं आपके तथ्य स्पष्ट कर दूं, कोई विरोध नहीं है, एक व्यक्ति है जिसका विरोध है। कहीं भी चंद मात्रा में भी लोग विरोध में वो खड़े नहीं कर पाए। कम से कम 2 वकीलों की प्रमुख रैलीज हुई हैं, एक जिसमें किरण जी स्वयं थी, एक में मैं था, जिसमें बहुत बड़ी संख्या में देव बीन द लार्जेस्ट लॉयर गैदरिंग्स जो हमारे समर्थन में हुई हैं। I have not had anything to do with giving clearance, madam. Their film was, the censor board took one opinion, view. They filed an appeal. The appeal tribunal is headed by a high court judge, which allowed it. So at least have your facts right. It's a judicial forum which allowed it. So are you trying to link the decision of a judicial tribunal with every vote helps us.
I'm coming.
देखिए, मैं इस हाइपोथेटिकल सिचुएशन को आज कंसिडर नहीं करूंगा।
Aditi, please, one by one. Bhai sahab, one by one. Aditi, please.
No, you see, I'll tell you, this is not true of Delhi also. Why did all of us campaign in Haryana, Jammu? Why were we sent to Srinagar and Maharashtra and Jharkhand? In recent years, there has been a particular manner in which the BJP takes its elections more seriously.
Either, please.
किसकी बात करती है? नहीं, आपको प्रश्न मुझे बहुत समझ में नहीं आया। स्ट्रीट पे जाकर प्रोटेस्ट करना और स्ट्रीट पे जाकर स्ट्रीट को में लोगों की दुख दर्द समझना, दोनों में अंतर भी तो होता है ना।
आप पूछिए नेक्स्ट प्लीज।
You can withdraw money from Swiss banks also by check. Doesn't mean that money becomes legal.
आप पूछिए.
When you convert black money into white through these lending credit entry lending companies, obviously the payment at the last end will come by check. The moot question is, if somebody gave you 2 crores, what is the identity of people behind these companies who gave you 2 crores? He's raised all kinds of diversionary issues. He can't still identify those people.
Please wait.
मुझे
please
लगता है अब
wait, we are
सवाल
going
कुछ
in some-
खत्म हो रहे हैं, तो इसलिए
हाँ.
एक दो खत्म करके बंद करें.
With last 2 questions, one here, NewsX, after that, and Mazumdar ji. With that, we end it. Just hold on. And let questions be asked by those who have not been asking. You may ask now, NewsX, please. NewsX, please. Mazumdar ji, wait.
है जी? अब माझी नाप डुबोए तो
Come on, NewsX, please. NewsX, please. Hold on. Just a minute, please. NewsX be asked. NewsX, please go ahead. Go ahead.
Well, I am only reminded of a famous line during the Second World War from Winston Churchill when he said, "How many battalions do they have?"
Gargi there. Please, 1 minute, 1 minute.
It's not, you see, every issue doesn't become an issue in an election. But BJP has supported the idea of statehood. You see, you don't you don't have every issue in every campaign. It's not a primary issue in this campaign, but BJP supports the idea of statehood.
The last question from Ravish Tiwari.
नहीं, 8 महीने में काफी कुछ करके भी दिखलाया है. नहीं, पॉलिटिक्स कोई इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड विषय नहीं है कि जिसके लिए कोई काउंसलिंग की जरूरत हो.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much. That should be